Okay, so we just got our second, we bought this twice now for our college student. I just wanted to give you a little overview of what it looks like. We are very impressed with it. Obviously, we've bought it the second time, but this is the tubing that it comes with, which is pretty long. It's long enough for what they need to shower with, to put it in the shower. And then this is the shower head that, let me take the bubble cap off of here so you can see it. And it's easy install. I mean, she can do it, or you know, we've gone there and done it before, but she's also done it herself from moving to different places. But this is the beads that you can refill once it. They last quite a while. I would say at least 4 to 5 months, and then we'll just purchase new ones on Amazon. And she just does it herself and refills it. But it is a great purchase if you're trying to not have hard water and your family's used to soft water. Thanks, hope this is helpful.
So I didn't think it was gonna work, but here we go. And all 3 modes work as well. I had really bad pressure here. Check that out. I can actually feel it on me now. Great, let's see. Feels awesome. There you go. That's the last one. Unless you can see, but or hear it, it's hitting hard. And then here's the middle one. There we go. So you got a little bit of both, and it just feels great. This is awesome. Love it.
This is the wind tunnel that it creates for a shower liner. So the entire shower you will be fighting with your shower liner because it will overtake the tub. Also the settings. No matter which one I click it to, it remains the same.
So this is what I received today. The shower head itself. Yeah. There's water in here still, you can tell. On top of that, beads aren't even all in here, and then you can see all that water. And instead of arriving in a new box, it arrived in a plastic bag. Basically this thing. So
spray.
So here's my shower before. See, I have no room. It just goes right there, and I'm close. And here's my shower now. Look at the distance. It's actually in the middle now. I am digging it. Love it!
It's raining.
Whoa, sorry.
Amazing shower. It's worth the price. Great quality.
Look at that. Really cool. Works awesome.